Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the seamless process of setting up a reverse proxy on Janitor AI so you can chat with custom characters without encountering strict standard API limits. First, log into your Janitor AI account. Open any character profile and tap the Chat button to launch your messaging interface. Next, tap the three dots or gear icon in the top right corner to open your API settings panel. From the available connection options, switch your main provider from default or OpenAI over to OpenAI Reverse Proxy. Now, navigate down to the Proxy API key and Proxy URL fields. Carefully paste your community or custom proxy endpoint link into the proxy URL box, ensuring there are no trailing slashes or formatting errors. Then, enter your assigned proxy password or key into the key field right below it. Finally, select your desired language model version, hit the Save Settings button at the bottom, and refresh your page to start chatting freely. Subscribe the channel for more videos.